Cambridge, a city steeped in history and academic excellence, offers a wealth of attractions for visitors. Here are 5 must-visit places that showcase the charm and culture of this iconic city. First on the list is the renowned Cambridge University. Established in 1209, this prestigious institution is home to stunning architecture and beautiful gardens. Visitors can explore the historic colleges, such as King's College, famous for its magnificent chapel and breathtaking views along the River Cam. A stroll through the university grounds reveals centuries of academic achievement and picturesque scenery, making it a perfect starting point for any visit. Next, the Fitzwilliam Museum stands out as a cultural gem. This world-class museum houses an impressive collection of art and antiquities, including works by renowned artists such as Van Gogh and Monet. The museum's stunning architecture and free admission make it an ideal destination for art lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Visitors can immerse themselves in the rich history of the collections, which span over 5,000 years, offering a glimpse into the artistic achievements of various civilizations. Please subscribe for more great videos. Another captivating site is the Botanic Garden, a lush oasis covering 40 acres. Established in 1762, this garden showcases a diverse range of plants from around the world. Visitors can wander through themed areas, including the rock garden, herb garden, and tropical glasshouses. The garden serves as a peaceful retreat, perfect for leisurely walks or picnics while enjoying the beauty of nature. The historic Market Square is also a must-visit destination. This vibrant hub has been a focal point of Cambridge life for centuries. Visitors can explore a variety of stalls selling fresh produce, local crafts, and delicious street food. The square is surrounded by charming cafes and shops, making it an ideal spot to relax and soak in the lively atmosphere. The market is especially bustling on weekends, offering a taste of local culture and community spirit. Please subscribe for more great videos. Lastly, the iconic Punting on the River Cam provides a unique perspective of the city. This traditional activity allows visitors to glide along the river while taking in the stunning views of the university's colleges and bridges. Guided punting tours offer insights into the history and architecture of the area, while self-hire options provide a fun and leisurely experience for those looking to explore at their own pace. In summary, Cambridge is a city rich in history and culture, offering a variety of attractions for every visitor. From the prestigious Cambridge University and the artistic treasures of the Fitzwilliam Museum to the serene Botanic Garden, bustling Market Square, and scenic punting on the River Cam, there is no shortage of experiences to enjoy. Whether seeking knowledge, relaxation, or adventure, Cambridge has something for everyone to discover. Please subscribe for more great videos.